Alright, I think the boxers is ready. Darwin Charles is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the sixth bout of our amateur boxing event tonight. 46 kilogram. The fighting pride from Adulayan, Malay, Bukidnon, Prince Arman. And his opponent, fighting from the blue corner, weighing 46 kilogram. The fighting pride from Robert Village, Poblacion, Pangatugan, Bukidnon, Francis Logroño. All right, ladies and gentlemen, leads the first round and it begins. Rocky Village versus Lion Malay Bukidnon. Prince Arman from the red corner, wearing a red head guard. Up, back, guys. Ayaw yun. Oh, makumpaan sa dati niya na yun. Abog naman yung kuhan. Alright. Box. Grabe kahat. Ang Lion Malay versus Rocky Village kung nasuka. Tipinsa. Bam! Bam! Uppercut! Uppercut sa ilalim! Uppercut sa taas! Tuhod sa ilalim! Punta sa taas! Ini match good. At kinambuanay yun kumo. Lamigay, sumagay! Box! Ini first round pa lang ni mga kaigsunan. 10 seconds remaining. Off gloves. 10 seconds na bulit. Ang start na sad. 1 minute per round. Box! And 1 minute interval. For the first round. Ladies and gentlemen, this is round 2. Inagluaray. Back. Wrestling. Okay, wrestling. Break. Second round. Prince Arman versus Francis Logroño. Francis Logroño is wearing blue head guard from blue corner. And Prince Arman is from red corner wearing a red head guard and red gloves. Bam! Isagang tananoy. Bam! Okay, gloves. Naunsa na Mr. Nari, sige makatanggal. Alright. Okay. Wala na. REC. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, referee, stop the contest. Winner, fighting from the red corner, Prince Arman.